All right. Hey, YouTube, welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time joining us, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer. And on the channel, we go through, we find ways to make money online, and then we pass that on to you. We make videos showing exactly step-by-step instructions, how to get started, and how to start making money online. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel. If you haven't, please leave me a like on the video and leave a comment if you would like. Also, my number is always below the video. So if you have questions, just text me. And if you have any interest in any of the programs that I run, you can check them out. Every video that I make, I put everything down below. So this one here, if you come in here and we'll just go straight down to show more, you can have everything right in here. So this is a series I'm working on aside from this one for Live Good. And they've got great supplements. They've got a great pay plan. The business is blowing up. So this one is doing really well. So you'd click right here to check out the free tour inside, and you can get pre-enrolled. So right here, Live Good, Live Rich. And then here's the $25 funnel builder that we use inside this as well. And you can also market this. It's a great funnel builder. It's a great tool, great community. So I'm really happy to be part of this. And we've got some traffic down here, some paid traffic. This one is Traffic Authority, which we have traffic running all the time through Traffic Authority, and we do really well with them. And we can also make money from them as well. And this is for MLGS, which we're about to talk about now in the Clickbank series. But we use MLGS for every system that we run. And if this is your first time here, you're about to see why. Now, if this is your first time here, this would not be the video to start on. You would want to go all the way back to start video number 1, which is day 1 through 6. Start there for the full setup for our Clickbank series, and then you can follow along day by day. All the emails are always posted in a document below the video as well for those series. So let me jump back there. And today we're going to be on day 57 of this series. This is a daily series we've been doing, just to show that we can make money on Clickbank with simple copy and paste emails. They're already wrote for us. We're not doing a bunch of copywriting. This is kind of the lazy way to actually make some money online. We've shown in several of these videos, we're already making money, and we're going to continue because we're just continuing to send these emails out. So let's jump into Clickbank and just check some stats. All right, so there's our sale from the other day. Like I said, we are up at about, I think, 169. Let's just see. So I wasn't tracking it that close, but somewhere in there. All right, so today's traffic we've gotten through so far without sending any emails. This is all residual clicks. We've got 130 clicks to our link. Okay, so that's pretty good for not sending anything out today. There's a residual just coming in from the previous emails that we've sent. Now, if I come in here and go period to date and check January through March, so we put a lot of traffic through to these sites. 19,846 clicks to our link. So that's a lot of people to go through. We've had 165 of those people go through the order form, and we've had 9 of them go ahead and make a purchase. A lot of these purchases that you're going to make on here, depending on the systems, depending on the setup, are going to be reoccurring payments. So there'll be reoccurring payments to you as you go, right? A lot of these are subscriptions, and they will keep paying you. All right, let's jump into our first email. And all the emails are below in a document, right where I just showed. And I'm going to work off the same document. I've got it pulled up on another screen over here. So if you see me looking back and forth, that's because I'm making sure it's the right email. It is email number 7 in this particular offer that we're sending. And this is day 57. So I did say that. All right, so you're going to go in here to mailing system. And we're going to select all. So today, 11,500 leads are going to get this email just on this account. We're on 5 accounts. So we'll grab our subject. I like this subject. Set your own hours and get paid well. I think that's a good subject. Now we're going to come and grab our entire email. Ooh, let's do the pre-header too. I like the pre-header on this one too. So there we go. Let's get rid of all this bold except the pre-header. We'll leave that. And we'll get rid of this. We're going to add right here, first name. Control C. Control V. And then we're going to go down and right here, we'll sign it. And then we got to create our link. There's mine. And then we'll highlight, Control C, and then let's go place it. All right, let me see. We've got to find a good spot. Well, we can add a spot. Let's do, man, let's do here. This is a short line. We can bold that. And then, okay, let's just go. We'll just make one right here. Let's do, we'll do all caps. Apply here. And size. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Could put one up closer. Now we're good with that. Let's just go with it. Okay, so we'll get rid of the link there. We got a perfect timing. We're going to grab our entire email, Control C, and then we'll send us. All right, then up here, we're gonna right click on our tab. Duplicate. Log out, then we'll log into our next account. Right there. And we're gonna come over here and you're gonna hit mailing system. Then you're going to make sure you get all of your leads. We come all the way down since we already have our email ready. Control V, there's our email. Perfect timing. And we'll grab our subject. Control C, right there. And I'm going to grab the email again for our next account. So Control C and send. There we go. And again, we'll log out and log into number 3 right here. Select all. I'm going to scroll all the way down and pop our email in there. Perfect timing. And grab our subject. Right there. We've got this already. Yep. Control C and send. There we go. We go to our next account. Same. This is a simple process. Copy, paste, copy, paste. So number 4, mailing system. Select all the way down. We'll paste our email. Up right there, we're going to grab our subject. So Control C, Control V. We're going to grab our email for our last account, Control C, and send it. Come on. There we go. So we'll move on to our last account. So we're going to log out. And there it is. Log into number 5, mailing system, select all. Go all the way down. Put our email in there, Control V. And we'll go grab our subject line. Control C, Control V. This is ready. This is our last one, so we don't need to copy this one again. And there we go. It's gone. So now we've sent all of our emails out, and let's just, well, so we're probably, I bet we're probably over close to 40,000. So there's 10, 8 on this one. Yeah, probably easy. We're over 40,000 leads today that we're sending to. So that is pretty awesome. Where else are you going to get that many leads that fast and be able to start building this this piece of business, right? As a matter of fact, let me just show you. Whenever you really build these up, when you continue doing this every single day and you continue getting these leads dumped in there. It's one of my other accounts. But like this account here, this is 66,800 people that I'm mailing. And this is only one account. So I've got 15 of these, and they're all way bigger than ones for Clickbank because I just started those for this series. But just to show you how many people you're actually going to be sending to, it's huge. It's huge amounts. You just have to stay steady and do it so that they're getting, there's 173, almost 74,000 leads on this account. So here in a few months, this will be up to 100,000 leads that I'm emailing with one account. Now imagine getting your link in front of that many people all from one place, right? The statistics are staggering at that point because you're getting so many eyes on your offer. And that's what we're trying to do. We just want the more eyes on our offer, the better our chances are of making sales. And that's what we're doing. All right. So check out the rest of the series. Start here. Again, we appreciate you being here. If you get any value out of these videos, please leave me a like on them. Leave us a comment. Shoot me a text message on the number below if you do have any questions. If you want to get started, everything is below the videos. I highly recommend starting this series right here. We make a lot of money with this, and we're making regular sales every day. We're making sales every day, just about every day. This is an awesome new program, so getting in early is exactly what you want to do with these. This one's only been out for 12 weeks now, so spend $150 for the entire year, get in, you make that money back pretty quick. I already made mine back. You don't have to worry about it at that point. And then just market it, market your link. You're going to make sales because people love the products. Who doesn't take supplements these days? I do. My wife does. Everybody I know does. So this has been an amazing product, and the timing is impeccable. The prices are cheap. You do not see prices this cheap for anything anymore, especially not in network marketing. They usually jack the prices way up This company did the exact opposite. They dropped the prices to bottom pricing, and you can get paid on top of that. So it's awesome. Check this out, and go check out everything else on the series. We do a lot of these. I've got a lot of just random training videos down here on MLGS, on Traffic Authority, on other ways to post ads. So you can go in here and you can actually learn how to run pretty well any type of business online that you're running. There's something in here for that, because I show different methods of advertising, making short form videos, posting different ads and free ads and some different websites. So go check out all the info. The channel's full of info. We try and do as much as we can, get info out there to help everybody. And again, appreciate you being here. We'll see you on the next video. Later.